Hello viewers, today I will show you Canva alternative websites, which is really crazy and time savings. First we can see the websites look. You are first in my channel, please support and subscribe. Let's start today's video. Disclaimer, this video is based on my personal experience and opinion comparing Canva and InsMind.ai. The information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. Features, pricing, and user experiences may vary over time and depending on your needs. I encourage viewers to explore both platforms and choose the one that suits them best. This video is not sponsored or affiliated with either platform. First, open your favorite browser and search this. Click on First Website and the window like this. Then you need to sign in your account first. I think it's 75% match by Canva. There are lots of templates are available like Canva have. So I will show you some best features this website, and believe me, this is crazy. First one is AI background. Click on AI background folder and select your images or subject. Then you have to do nothing. This AI will prepare your image. But you have to select what type of background do you need. Then it takes some time and generate for images. Here we can see how perfectly match the product in background. Then we need some more, then click on More Generate. There are lots of options, so I try another one, which one also looks gorgeous and perfectly matching. After then you need to download it. Second one is AI logo. Click on AI logo and we see in right side many logos of website. Okay, here we need to type our logo name, and here we see it's long, not than 14 characters. But we type our channel name, it's longer than 14 characters. So you try to it's in 14 words. This AI gives us automatically some logo of our channel name, and when we click on logo, we also edit from here. Now I can try change to text color, and yes, it's working. Then we click on download and enjoy. Our next and third is Magic Eraser. Click on Magic Eraser Tools and select your image. Then it's loadings, and here is the image. So I need to erase this laptop. So I need to click brush or select button in right corner. Okay, here it's processing, and yes, it's 99% working and perfectly clear our objects. Okay, the next tool's name is AI Image Generator. Click on AI Image Generator option, and we can in left corner what type image we need, and we have to select what type of images we need. Then we can select first one and enter what type of image I need. I types a girl's smile. Then in a few seconds only this image is ready. Here is the image, and it's look you know better than me. Click on download and enjoy. Okay, the next one is Smart Resize. Click on Smart Resize Tools and select your image and open this type of tab. Here in right side we see there are many sizes options, and we can edit also manually, so you have to select what size do you need. Then click on Add New Canvas, add here is results. I can try all sizes, and yes, it's perfectly working. Then click on Download button and enjoy. Okay, the next tool's name is AI Enhancer. Click on AI Enhancer Tools and select your low-quality picture. This tool automatically adjusts your photo, and here you can see the result. before and after, then you can download HD or Ultra HD. I think there are all options like Canva, but Canva have all premium version. It's have also premium version, but it's have a downloaded options for beginners. So let's go our next tools. It's name AI model. Yes, these tools are very crazy, I think. Click on AI models and select your image, so I have no images. I click on trail images on right side. You can upload your image and select what type of do you need it in left side. And I select this, then click on start button. It takes some time because it's processing your image and give you best result. I suggest you upload a clear image and upload this website, and yes, it's working perfectly. Then endings of video, the last tool's name is product collage. Click on product collage tools and select your product image, and then this tools automatically process your image and open a tab like this. Here you can at the right side loads option. There are lots styles are available. What types of style do you need and select this and see the magic. I made a full video in this tool only. You can check this video to make an image professional. Go to my channel and check previous video.